case you are experiencing this issue of payment failure whenever you want to fund your Facebook ad account, and you are having, okay, your MasterCard is not going, your Visa card is not going, what are the alternatives to making this payment, funding your ad account for your business, for your Facebook campaign, for your Instagram campaign? Okay, one of the things you can do that I recommend is to select a new payment method, which is the PayU. PayU is a third-party integration payment solution that is just like our PayStack, our Flutterwave in Nigeria here. So they are third-party solution. They handle the payments, and you can literally fund your account, your ads account, and continue with your campaign. So I'm going to show you two ways to doing this. The first one is with a Naira card, Naira ad account that has enabled PayU. PayU is already enabled on this Naira ad account. So I'm going to show you that from my own personal ad account. Then I'm now going to walk you through the process whereby if you do not have any Naira, if you have a Naira ad account but the PayU is still not enabled, then what do? There are two ways to it. Either you set it up or you create another ad account. So I'm going to walk you through that in a very short time. So let us start with paying through a PayU method that is already available, that the Naira ad account is there and the PayU method is already available on it. How does it look like? So you go to your, let me use my own business.facebook.com. This is my own ad account, one of my ad accounts. So in your own case, it may not be like this. So I'm going to select a payment method. This is an ad account. So let me quickly select a campaign. So let me select, okay, let me use this ad account. Okay, and selecting this ad account means I can come to this business tool and I can go straight to the billings. So I just go to billing, and what I'm literally doing is that I have selected an ad account and I'm coming to the payment method or the payment setting for that ad account. So what I do is just, as you can see, I funded this ad account before even doing this video so that I confirm that indeed the payment with PayU is still valid. So, and you click add funds. Once you click add funds, you put in the amount you want to put in, okay? And if you put in any amount, you are to select the third payment method here, which is Naira payment with MasterCard, Visa, PayU. That is PayU. Please note, PayU does not work with Valve, okay? But PayU works with MasterCard and Visa card, Naira or any other one. So I click on next. So literally this portal will take me away from Facebook and it's going to take me to PayU interface. So it's going to pop up PayU interface on the side where I will literally just click on the card number. The card number will be entered here. The card name, the other card name will be entered here, and the payment, the year, and all this will be entered. And immediately you do this information, you provide this information, there will be an OTP that will be sent to your phone or your email from your bank, and that OTP will validate the transaction. Mistakenly the other time I said Valve does not work. I have tried Valve on it. I don't know, it did not work when I tried it, but I'm sure of Master and Visa, and that is why I said Valve does not work. But if you are using Valve, give it a try. If it works, comment below so that people can know. And that is that for PayU. And like what I said, I just credited the accounts before doing this video so that we can be rest assured. Today is 17. You see, today is 17 and the payment was made on 17. So I did that, confirm it before doing the video so that we will not be misguided. Okay, that is if there is no pay you literally on your ad account whenever you click add funds. But if there is, then please make use of pay you and free yourself from the headache of the payment not working. So in case there is no pay you, and let me see. So in case there is no pay you, what I recommend is that you create a new ad account. You create a new ad account. So that is what I recommend. You create a new ad account. How do you create a new ad account? The first thing you want to do is to go to your all tools and you go to your business settings. Now please, the way this tool is designed, if you want to take a master class on Facebook, feel free to chat me up. There is a link. I have 3 weeks intensive training where I will be able to walk you through step by step everything you really need to know as far as Facebook masterclass is concerned. So every aspect of your creatives, your campaigns, everything I'm going to walk you through. But in case that you just want to just set up your campaign and you want to set up a Naira ad account to enable you have that pay you feature, you come to your business settings, you come to your ad account, and you are just going to click add, meaning that you are going to create a new ad account. And of course, it is important that you select Lagos for your time zone and Nigeria Naira for your currency. And of course, give it a name, new me. Okay, I think there is no space in between the name, new me, and you click add. And of course, you assign this to somebody. You must assign your newly created ad account to a business manager ad account, a business manager account. So in this case, I am assigning. So I am expecting you to tell me that I have reached my limits of ad accounts that I can create. And if it goes, I will say thank God that it goes. Now that it goes, I just need to just say thank God. I'm going to assign this to somebody who will be in charge of this ad account, and I'm going to give that person the total privilege to the ad account, and I'm going to assign. Wow, it is successful. I thought I have actually reached the limit of numbers of ad accounts that I can create. Luckily for me, this video trying to explain to you gives me another opportunity to make this ad account. So in this case, I'm just going to add payment info. It is important to add your payment info, and I just like I told you, make sure that it is Nigeria currency and what have you, and you just click next. And in this one, I expect it to just show me this pay you. That is just it. That is just the most important thing. Just create a new ad account, follow these steps, you will see this function. That is it. Once you have that, and you just make sure you add this payment method. Make sure you add this payment method. I'm repeating it with all passion. Make sure you add this payment method, and that is important. You click next, and once you click next, because there is no business and tax information and all those, so the payment method is just a pay you, and all these can be skipped. There's no tax information for now. And yes, I can start adding fund. I can start adding fund to this account using pay you like I showed you initially, and it is just good to go. So you guys, I really say thank you guys for being a part of the community. If you are just finding this video and you see it valuable, kindly please click the subscribe button, give it a thumbs up, like, share. I've just given this to my YouTube channel and my social media channels, so it means that you are free to share this information, and I say thank you guys. And the same procedure of pay you just comes in, and that is just that. So thank you guys. Be a part of my community. If you are interested in my master class where I walk you through most of all this training and this guidance, and I really want to work with you in your content creation, your campaign, your strategies, your remarketing, your pixel, there are a lot of aspects of digital marketing tools that I really would walk you through, and also walk you to maximizing, optimizing your results. Kindly chat me up, DM me, let's work together, and I wish you all the best. Thank you guys, and God bless.